We are back with ACT prep. This is from 2023 and into the 2024 school year. This is an ACT practice test. So this is the very first problem, problem number 1. The numbers 1 through 15 were each written on individual pieces of paper, one number per piece. Then 15 pieces of paper were put into the jar. A piece of paper was drawn from the jar at random. What is the probability of drawing a piece of paper with a number less than 9 written on it? Okay, this is a basic probability problem. Our equation for a standard probability problem, will be P for probability, is equal to the number of desired outcomes, otherwise known as like winners. I like to call them winners because it's what we want to happen for our probability, divided by the number of total outcomes, which is kind of like the possibilities. So, for this particular problem, we have P is equal to less than 9, because we have a piece of, remember, we want to get important information, right? So less than 9 is important, and then 1 through 15 is important, right? 15 pieces of paper, same thing, 15 pieces. Also at random, but at random just means that we have a standard probability thing. Anytime you see at random, that's good keyword to look for, to know that's probability that you're looking at. So we have less than 9. That's the less than symbol, not the greater than symbol, less than. If you're having trouble remembering the difference between less than or greater than, know that these 2 points are more than the 1 point. So we have like 2 points here on the end of our angle thing. And there's only 1 point on this side. So the 2 points is more than 1. So the 2 points points to the greater side. That's how I remember it. So this is less than because what we want, the number over here is what we want, is less than 9. This is going to be smaller than the bigger number 9. Okay, so a number less than 9 needs to be drawn. And then we have how many total outcomes? We have 15, because the numbers 1 through 15 are written on the piece of paper, and there's one number per piece. That's another key thing. If there's like 2 numbers per piece, that could change some things, right? So we have 15 total numbers to pick from. All right, now this less than 9, this is kind of a trick problem. Well, 9 over 15 is not an answer, so it's really not, but don't get tripped up when it says less than 9. Don't include 9 in that. Less than 9 means everything less than 9. 9 is not less than 9. 9 is equal to 9. So if it was like less than or equal to 9, it would include 9, but it's not. It's less than 9, and we have whole numbers. So we have the numbers 1 through 8. So that would be 8 total numbers. So less than 9 is equal to 8. And then we still have our 15 on the bottom. So our answer for our probability is going to be 8 over 15. We said our answer is right here for answer E.